Okay, this is my crate build. I had a crate vintage 60 amp, which I thought sucked ass pretty bad. So I rebuilt it. I initially did it, kind of was trying to do like a 2204, a Marshall JCM 800 type thing. Never really liked the way it. So recently I went back and tore it apart again and did it more as a straight high gain type hit. It's still got the crate transformer, which probably would sound a lot better without. They always advertise this as a paper transformer, like a vintage style transformer, but even redoing the amp completely, you still have a subtle sound that it always had, a kind of a I don't know, a weird kind of compression in the output transformer. I think that sounds really weird, but anyway, I did it as a fun thing just to do it. It's right now it's a cabinet's got a 112 in it. It's being mic'd through a 212 in cab with vintage 30s in it, and it's also being played at very low volume. It sounds much better when you can crank it.